Okay, I'm over here in Baldwin, Missouri with Mrs. Stike.
Stike.
Okay, and we just finished a deck project, Decorators deck project here, and I think we contracted a few months ago. Waiting till the weather clears up here, and tell me a little bit about how your project went.
So, all of the work was wonderful. We were so pleased. Everybody that sees the deck loves it. I get all these compliments all these months later. The guys were great. They had to work during the coldest part of the year. It was February, the coldest days. We had 6 inches of snow near the end of the project. They continued to work. They were out there every day. And even the dumpster people who were not working because it was too cold, Jones's guys were out there.
That's right. I think you had Brandon, one of our top
Yes.
crews as well. And man, what a neat project here. I tell you what, out of 25 years I've been doing this, I've reviewed thousands of decks in my career. I've never seen nothing quite this pretty before. We have an Art Deco fleur-de-lis. We have the bronze fascia, which is part of our Art Deco division. We are exclusive to this product, and look at how amazing the contrast was here. This really is something else. We're by a real nice golf course here, so it's kind of neat. She gets a lot of compliments. And man, look at the fascia pieces here. Mrs. Stike's going to come back and we add some landscape around this thing, and this will be a showstopper. Man, we are so excited at Jones with our Art Deco division. Obviously, the initial creator of Decorators is involved in all this as well. How much fun is this? So, any last words?
I'm very pleased. I'm very happy. I love my deck.
Wow, thank you so much.